If you want to capture a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but you don't want to use the keys on the right side of the phone, then you have two main ways to do so. The first one is by using a gesture. You can use your palm and swipe from the right side to the left or from left to the right. So it looks like this, or like this. This is how we can capture a screenshot with a gesture. If this doesn't work for you, then you want to go to Settings. In Settings, we need to scroll down to choose Advanced Features, go to Motions and Gestures, and make sure that palm swipe to capture is enabled. Another way to capture a screenshot without buttons is by using quick settings. So we can swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the middle like so, then open the full list of options here. And by default, this option is not added, so we need to press this pen icon in order to edit, then press Edit button. And in available buttons, we need to find for Take Screenshot. We can simply tap on it in order to add it to the list, or we can press and hold and then drag it to the list. Press Done in the top right corner, and then again. And now if we take a look at the list of shortcuts, we can find Take Screenshot. We can press it in order to capture a screenshot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!